Dr. Beasley's LS-10 is the latest in 100% inorganic ceramic nano coatings. Application is fast and simple. Simply spray LS-10 onto any smooth surface, spread using a clean microfiber towel, and then wipe the surface to leave a slick, high shine finish that is now protected for up to 1 year. LS stands for low sliding angle. This means LS-10 creates a high slip, hydrophobic surface that makes water want to roll off and take any dirt and other contaminants with it. The number 10 stands for perfection, thus the name Dr. Beasley's LS-10. With this high slip, hydrophilic surface, water is a lot more likely to roll off your car instead of pile up on the surface, reducing the potential for water spots. This 100% inorganic ceramic nano coating is also highly UV and chemical resistant and fully cures in less than an hour. Simply spray and wipe. Total protection doesn't get any easier than this. Visit Autogeek.com for more information.